This is the new Toyota bZ4X, the brand's first car that will only be available as a pure electric model. The bZ4X SUV will start from 41,950 pounds with 4 specification levels: Pure, Motion, Vision and a limited Premier Edition. A new electric 4-wheel drive system called X Mode has been introduced for the model, and Toyota says it gives the bZ4X class-leading off-road driving capability. The exterior design is sleek, powerful and uncluttered. It represents a distinctive new hammerhead frontal shape, signature slim headlight units, and an emphasis on the front corners that communicates the car's strong stance. The side view is distinguished by the car's low overall height, slender front pillars and a low axle line that reflects the low center of gravity. Wheel arch mouldings, large wheels up to 20-inch diameter pushed out to the corners of the body and thick rocker panels express the car's authentic SUV character. At the rear, the design emphasizes the corners with a distinctive tail light bridging the width of the vehicle. The long wheelbase allows for spacious, open and comfortable 5-seat cabin with a welcoming ambience of a living room. The instrument panel is slim and low set, adding to the sense of openness and the driver's forward visibility. The hands on the wheel, eyes on the road principle is supported by the human-centered cockpit, in which the 7-inch TFT instrument and information display sits directly in the driver's forward eye line above the line of the steering wheel. This is class-leading legroom for all occupants with 1 meter couple distance between front and rear hip points. The load area has a capacity of up to 452 liters with the rear seats in place. European customers will be offered the choice between 2 powertrains, just like in the United States. Sitting at the base of the range is a front-wheel drive model powered by a single electric motor with 201 horsepower and 265 Nm of torque. This variant can hit 100 km an hour in 8.4 seconds and a 160 km an hour top speed. An all-wheel drive bZ4X is also offered. This variant produces 215 horsepower and 336 Nm through its front and rear electric motors and will apparently hit 100 km per hour in 7.7 seconds. The front-wheel drive model has a 71.4 kWh battery pack, while the dual-motor version uses a 72.8 kWh battery pack. Toyota claims that the entry-level bZ4X will have a range of around 450 km on the European WLTP testing cycle. It also notes that the battery can be charged to 80% in around 30 minutes with a 150 kW fast charging system. An 11 kW 3-phase onboard charger will be available from the 4th quarter of 2022 to improve charging performance.